Yesterday, Alex Jones finally decided to show up to his defamation trial where the jury will decide how much Alex Jones owes the victims of the Sandy Hook massacre. But before he showed up, he did miss part of the day because, of course, he wanted to do his show. So he got on his show and he did what any normal person would do and attacked the judge, attacked the prosecutors, attacked everybody who is going after him, which I'm sure is probably not going to sit well with the people determining his fate. But Alex Jones threw some major bombs at the judge, the plaintiffs, all of that, in a ridiculously dehumanizing statement. Here is what Alex Jones had to say. It's demonic. They all act demonically possessed. The judge, the lawyers, it's surreal to be around them. And it makes you feel sorry for them because these people are committed a cult ideology of the New World Order, and they're never going to stop. They're getting rid of all the checks and balances, all of our basic freedoms. They've gutted the border. They're promoting pedophilia everywhere. They have been turned loose. When I talk about they, I mean the general crazed mob of the left. I finally got to see a real goblin. This is a giant exercise in raping our freedom. The goblin, of course, that he was referring to was the judge herself. Now, I've never been on trial. I've been to court a few times, but I've never been on trial. I've never had to be the person up there, facing punishment. But I'm going to go ahead and say that it's never a good idea to personally attack the judge, to claim that they're demonically possessed or that they're a cult of a new world order, or, of course, that they're a frickin' goblin. Again, probably not going to sit well, especially since you missed part of your trial that day to go on the air and spread these baseless lies about the judge, the lawyers, the Democratic Party, everybody. And here's the big takeaway from all of this. And this is kind of, basically what this trial is all about. Alex Jones is a threat to society. Alex Jones is a threat to society. We've already had reports coming in of his crazed supporters still harassing the Sandy Hook families even during this trial. So those people are not going to stop. These are absolute lunatics. We're not talking about people with rational, normal functioning brains. We are talking about people who, as Jones accused the judge of being, Jones's followers are actually members of a cult. And if you go after Jones, if you say that he's lying, if you call him out for anything, or if he tells them to do something, they're going to go full force. And Alex Jones clearly knows that because that's why he's on trial right now. So he throws out these statements against the judge, against the lawyers, against the Democratic Party, because I think deep down he wants his followers to go out there and attack us and harass us, possibly even worse. He wants that judge, in my opinion, to feel the same pressure that those Sandy Hook families felt. He wants that judge, again, I'm assuming here, to undergo that same level of harassment once all of this is over. Alex Jones, and I cannot stress this enough, is a threat to society. It's not good enough that he is going to have to pay through the nose for these defamation claims. This is a dangerous individual that needs to be taken off the air. This is a dangerous individual who is sparking violence against others, and he should have to pay a criminal price for what he's doing. A civil lawsuit, good, but a criminal file against him for inciting this kind of violence, that is what is sorely needed right now.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.